Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use the magic eraser on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the gallery. Now let's choose the photo that we want to edit, and then tap this pen icon over here at the bottom of the screen. Once you open the edit mode, you want to tap on the last mode at the bottom, which is those 4 circles. And then over here we have the object eraser. Now once it loads, we need to tap or draw around anything that you want to erase. So let's say I'm gonna choose this QR code over here in the middle, and then I can press erase. And after a couple of seconds, the QR code should be gone from my picture. I can do this one more time in order to, for instance, remove those shadows. So let's select one more time, press erase, and there we go. Now we can press done once you are done with the changes, and then you can either save in order to overwrite the original photo, or you can tap on these 3 dots over here and then choose save as copy. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!